welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Robinson coming to you with a Nature Box unboxing. This is the sample box. It just came in the mail today, and I think I ordered this last week, so it came really quick, and all you had to do was pay the $2 shipping and you got a sample box. So I will open it to show you. And again, this is my first time trying Nature Box, so of course I had to share with my YouTube friends. And it comes in this pretty box. And here's a card, a Nature Box card. And it says, welcome to Nature Box. Starting next month, you'll receive your first Nature Box of full-size snacks. Your membership starts at $19.95 per month. And you can customize your Nature Box each month. They have over 100 healthy and delicious snacks. So here, you guys, if you are interested in it, you can go to naturebox.com. And as far as the sample box, you receive one big, this is the full size. This is what you will get every month for the $20, which is a nice size. But these are the little sample goodies they sent. So I am going to try, and I'm going to start off with the little ones first. And I'm going to start off with the Garden Tomato Crunchies. Now, I do not like tomatoes, but I'm going to try it anyway. It is tomato flavored almonds. So here we go, you guys. It smells like sunflower seed. They're pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good. They taste, it has like a little flavor to it, and you can really taste the almonds a lot more. It tastes pretty good. This wouldn't be my first choice, but they taste pretty good. Now I'm going to try the jalapeno cashews. Now I do like cashews and I like jalapenos, so let's try that. Try those out. It reminds you of like a jalapeno chip with a cashew taste. So they're pretty good too. Excuse the noise, that's the kids outside playing. And next, they have the cranberry medley. I think that's how you pronounce it. Let's try this. I think this is more like a fruit snack. It looks like this. It's kind of looks like a pomegranate. I like these. These are good. Let me take a few more. You guys, these are real good. I like them. Okay, this is the last sample pack. You got 4 of them, and this is the Parmesan garlic pop. Now let's try this. I used to eat the Parmesan garlic popcorn, so I know I'm gonna like this. And it looks like this. You guys, these are real good. These are real good. They're good. And last but not least, we have the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels. And they good. And these snacks are really good to be healthy. So yeah. Let me chew this up. They smell good. It smells like strawberry. These are real good, you guys. I'm gonna take one more. I would definitely be going with the monthly subscription. I don't know for how long, because it is a $20 box a month subscription, but these snacks were really, really good. And the sample box to me for $2 shipping was well worth it for you to get these sample size snacks and plus a full size snack. I'm sorry, you guys. That pretzels, the strawberry Greek yogurt pretzels are the bomb. And they came in a nice size. So these will be going in my room tonight with a glass of ice cold water. And these were really good too. The jalapeno cashews. The ones that were my least favorites were the garden tomato crunchies. They weren't bad, but they just wouldn't be my number one pick. That's all. And everybody been hyping about the Nature Box, and I see why. It was really, really delicious. And again, $2 for you to have some healthy snacks. And then once you sign up for the free trial, of course, they're going to put you in for the subscription. So again, you guys, I just wanted to share with you real quick my Nature Box unboxing, because I'm going to jump right into these real quick. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.